morning to one and all. I am Shubhangi Gundane from Mechanical Engineering Department, and today we study with data logger. What is data logger? This is a figure which is related to the data logger. It is like a pen drive. It is an instrument which is store the data. This is the front view of this data. This node is just like a pen drive, and these data can be utilized with respect to the computer. The introduction. The term data logger refers the collection or gathering the data over a period of time. The data logger is a device that can be used to store and retrieve the data. The data logger capture, measure and analyze the physical phenomena from the real world. The light, temperature and pressure are the example of the different types of the signal that a data logger can measure. A data logger is an often hand-handled battery operated device which has a large amount of a memory. How the data is collected. In data logger, how the data is collected. The objective of this work is use the data logger for temperature measurement. In order to meet the above requirement, a low-cost portable data logger is designed. A microcontroller-based data logger has been developed for measuring the temperature at different input channels of DAS. The sensors are asked to take reading or measurement at regular interval of their environment. The sensors may be either analog or digital. If they take the analog reading, or an analog to digital converter will be needed to convert the signal into digital data which can be computerized can understand. The sensor take a reading, the data is sent to the cable or wireless link to the data logger. The device is designed to receive the data from the sensors and to store the result an external non-violence flash memory for post-process analysis. An integrated liquid crystal display is also used for a real-time display of data acquisition from various sensors. The sensor can be collected data on a wide range of things such as temperature, humidity, pressure, wind speed, water, current, electric, voltage, pH reading, etc. The literature review. Dr. Soil Greenberg has described these concept of logging, and how the logging is done is in detail. The logging is a process to record the event with the use of data logger during a test or field use of the system or a product. Andrew Thomas, John L. Brake have described that the low cost, low power consumption, self-contained digital data logger capable of independent operation for long period of time has been developed. The Peter Roston has reviewed the use of the data logger. S.K. Kalasi has defined the data logger is a compressive and highly advanced data acquisition system. This is a block diagram which is related to the data logger. Sensor 1 and sensor 2. Sensor 1 is attached to the ADC, that is a analog to digital converter. Sensor 2 is also attached with ADC, that is analog to digital converter. Both these analog to digital converter convert the sensor sense to the microprocessor controller, and these can be stored with respect to some stored, and it can be displayed the Y and Y. So this is display in this way. So this is a block diagram which is related to the data logger. The building block of the data logger, the transducer or sensor, a device that is convert a physical phenomena such as light, temperature, pressure or sound into a measurable element signal must be voltage or current. The analog to digital converter, the data logger saves only the digital signals, and hence the analog signal it may be converted to the digital signal. The microprocessor and storage, the controller is used to convert the digital signal into binary form. Storage used to store the converted digital signals. Display. Some data logger interface with the personal computer and utilize the software to activate the data logger and view and analyze the collecting data, while other have a local information device, that is a keypad LCD, and can use as a stand-alone device. The standard definition. The board definition of the system hardware including the microprocessor and its interface with display, ADC, memory and keyboard. The circuit design. The selection of 8085 microprocessor and other interfacing devices as per system definition. The design of hardware circuit and its testing in laboratory kit with some simple microprocessing function. The PCB design and fabrication. The generation of systematic diagram and production system brought together with respect to the procurement of the circuit diagram. Software design. The developing algorithm for the system, allocation of the memory block for functionally coding and testing. Integration and final testing. The integration, the entire hardware and software module, and it can be final testing for data logging operation. So this is the data logger topologies, standalone and PCB. The standalone hardware can be continuously used for log the data without connection of the PC. And PC based means the operation required to fill time connection to the PC over any appropriate bus technology. So current scenario. Nowadays it is required to control the temperature, pressure, humidity, displacement, etc. in the plant. Hence, demand of data logger is increasing rapidly since it finds a wide application in the industry. The cost of data logger has been declined over years as technology improves and costs are reduced. Simple signal channel data logger cost as low as $25, and more complicated logger must be counted hundreds or thousands of dollars. So future aspect. The data logger are changing more rapidly now than ever before. The original model of a stand-alone data logger is charging to one of the devices that collect the data but also has the access to the wireless communication for alarming of the event, the automatic reporting of the data and remote control. This is a figure which is related to the data logger application for the weather station. The weather station in this way, this is a position of the data logger with respect to this data logger, it can store the information. Advantages. The data logger can be used to remote dangerous situation. Data logger can be carried out 24 hours a day, 365 days of a year. Time interval for collecting the data can be very frequent and regular. For example, hundreds of measurements per second. No need to have a person present. Data logging is often more accurate because there is no likelihood or human error. The disadvantages of the data logger. If the data logging equipment break down or multifunction, some data could be lost or not recorded. The equipment can be expensive for small tasks. The equipment will make reading at a logging interval which has set up. If sometimes unexpected happens between recording, the data will not be recorded. The data logger typically have a slower samples rate than the data acquisition system. The application. The application of the data logger are the unattended recorded at weather station or record parameter like temperature, wind speed, direction, solar radiation and the relative humidity. For hydrographic reading of water, flow water, water pH, water conductivity, water level and water depth. In the recording of soil moisture level, the record gas pressure and it monitor the tank level. Vehicles testing included the crash testing. The conclusion. They are designed to operate continuously without interruption event in the worst industrial environment. It is the portable measurement instrument, has a wide application in the industry. The digital data can be retrieved, viewed and evaluated after it has been recorded. Data logger can be taken to desired location included mountains, desert, jungles and mines, etc. The specified accuracy is maintained throughout the period of use. So thank you. In next we are seeing the DSP, that is a digital signal processing. So thank you.